What's up YouTube, it's 터프정우
and Ashley.
Today we are going to Pigeon actually it's for break. We are going to Dollywood tomorrow, so we have to go today. I will show you guys when we get there. See you soon. Yesterday we arrived October 14, Tuesday, and today Wednesday. Today we are going to Dollywood. This Days Inn is 12 minutes far from, hold on, no, was it 18 minutes? Yeah, far from the Dollywood. So we're going to Dollywood today. Yeah! Just one day, not today. My husband said one day should be fine. Good morning. I woke up, my husband woke up, and we're getting ready. My daughter's still sleeping. Over here, checkout time is 11 o'clock. Bye bye, Daisy, Pigeon, Percy. We are going home. What's up YouTube, it's 터프정우
And Ashley.
Today we are going to Pigeon actually it's for break. We are going to Dollywood tomorrow, so we have to go today and stay in the hotel, and then tomorrow we're going to Dollywood. Say yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I will show you guys when we get there. See you soon.
That's all the hotels? Huh?
They're like Virginia, remember? Massachusetts. Like a house. You rented the house, your house. 여기 was there, yeah.
Wow, guys. I don't know what else to say.
Oh,
Okay.
we're almost there, like half a
We
mile.
almost there, guys.
Half a mile.
Watch Italia. I don't know what else
The
to
hotel
say.
name is Days Inn.
Days in Italia.
Then look at it.
Did you say Italia?
Go past this.
I don't. And then
Turn right, then
Oh,
arrive at your destination.
oh shit. Yeah, I look at a map. I said, making sure I'm going correctly. Oh,
So this is the way we normally come.
yeah, right.
Yeah, we went.
I don't know.
Wow, we.
Okay, Daddy, do you want me to do
Here.
parking first too? Today, October 15, Wednesday. Yesterday, we arrived here, Days Inn,
At 5 p.m.
Apple,
6
Belly. The name is so long. I'm gonna put it later. So, yeah. So this is this.
Man, get my toothbrush.
진짜.
Cut the damn camera. Do not put
Oh my god, funny, crazy boy. So, hold on. Yeah. Yesterday we arrived October 14, Tuesday, and today Wednesday. Today we are going to Dollywood. This Days Inn is 12 minutes far from, hold on, no, was it 18 minutes? Yeah, far from the Dollywood. So, and the Dollywood open 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock. We don't have to be 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock, that's so long. So my husband just woke, 40 minutes ago woke up. He took medicine. Now he finished his breakfast and then he taking shower. We are going. What? Some people doing that crazy, right? So yep. So we are going to Dollywood today. Just one day, not today. My husband said one day should be fine.
Big
Yeah.
twin.
And this is I'm gonna wearing today. Hold on. Sure. This is I'm gonna wearing today.
That's nice, sweetheart.
And this is my daughter's style today.
Don't jump the jam camera, bro.
We're gonna have fun? Yeah. Okay, everybody ready. Look at the face. Ready. Fixing daddy's bed. Fixing daddy's bed. We are going. 12:06. We are going.
Where's
Let's
my
go.
other baby? This reminds me of the hotel we stayed at in Las Vegas.
We are going. Let's go.
Okay, sweetheart.
Okay, sweetheart.
Wait, sweetheart.
And it just must feel so special to be on your own home.
Here is my car. So, good morning. I woke up, my husband woke up, and we're getting ready. My daughter's still sleeping. So, what time is it? Over here, checkout time is 11 o'clock. And now, 10:12, we still have time, and then I'm eating my breakfast. Smart. I brought the rice and the rice cooker. So we can eat, and we don't have to spend the money for outside the McDonald's or anything. Eat, and then we just, let's go, hit the road. Going home. Today's going home. Actually have fun in Dollywood yesterday. So I brought Korean tuna. And then our snack, and then Korean coffee. That is how I made the easy food for us. Bye Daisy, Pigeon, Percy. We are going home.
onto I-40 West.
Yeah, in the middle. Because you're gonna make a right this way. This is Park E, gas station and store.
Enter the parking lot for your destination.
My husband wants to go check it. Yes, so we are going to see what they have and how it looks like.
Turn left, then turn right onto Interstate Drive.
There's the puppy sign. We are here, puppies. Ay,
The checkbook. Oh, look at Patricia.
oh my goodness. Oh, pumpkin earring. That's so cute.
Oh, they got the jerky over there. We gotta get the jerky.
Oh my God, they have a Christmas already. Ta-da! This is what we got. I bought this bag. This is actually,
My sandwich.
and then my husband said it's a cooler bag. Look at this. Okay.
You put this inside.
Beef jerky, my sandwich, my husband's sandwich, potato.
Right here.
Let me see this one. Potato chip. And the baby. Ashley. Eat time. And there we go. The potato chip looks so nice. They made. So cute. We are almost home. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Stay. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.